Welcome to Nana's. We're going to make kids quick pinecone bird feeder projects today. Talk about an easy craft to make for the fall. Wow, it's been beautiful fall weather around here. I hope you've had great fall weather. I went on a walk and picked up some great pine cones, and we're going to be using some peanut butter. And being in a farm community, I have some Milo, which is a grain sorghum product that we raise here on the farm, but you can use bird seed. And I have this great little spatula that I love. And I'm going to be taking some of that creamy peanut butter and putting it on the plate, because we want to cover the whole pine cone in the peanut butter. Kids, even the smallest kids, like doing this. It seems to be something that they can do themselves as small children. They can hold it in their hands. It's gooey. They love peanut butter. The hard part is keeping them from eating the peanut butter, right? Make sure that's well covered in peanut butter. And I did check this out online. Peanut butter is a great protein source for birds in the wintertime. And then we roll it into Milo seed or your bird seed. Wow, that's beautiful. That Milo is so pretty and orange. Your bird seed will look great too. Lastly, we'll tie a string around the bottom edge of the pine cone so we can hang it up in the tree. This would be easier to do before I spread it with peanut butter. That's all there is to it. What a simple, fun craft to make. Birds are going to love this one. For more fun and activities, come join the fun at welcometonanas.com.